This video walks you through how to send a payment reminder in Clio Manage. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main screen, go to the Billing section. This is where you can access invoice activity and locate bills that still need attention. After Billing opens, select the Unpaid tab. That tab shows invoices that have not yet been paid, so it is the right place to look when you need to follow up with a client. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then review the list of outstanding invoices. Find the unpaid invoice you want to send as a reminder. In the Actions column for that invoice, click Send. This opens the Send Bill screen, where you can confirm who will receive the email and review the invoice before it goes out. On the Send Bill screen, look first at the recipients list. Review each recipient carefully and make sure every person listed has a valid email address attached. If anything needs to be updated, make that change before moving forward. This matters because the reminder will only reach the addresses shown here, and an incorrect or missing address can prevent the invoice from being delivered. If needed, you can also add CC firm users from this screen. That can be useful if someone at your firm should receive a copy of the reminder email for tracking or internal visibility. You may also choose an email template if your firm uses saved message formats. If a template is available and fits the reminder you are sending, select it here. If not, continue with the current message details. Next, review the bill preview and the email details. Check that the correct invoice is attached, that the recipient list is accurate, and that the message appears the way you want it to appear when the client receives it. This is the point to confirm the final information before sending, so take a brief moment to make sure everything on the screen matches the reminder you intend to send. When you are ready, click Send Bill. Clio Manage will email the invoice as a payment reminder to the recipients you confirmed. Once the message is sent, the reminder has been delivered from the billing workflow rather than requiring a separate email outside the system. If you need to send reminders for additional unpaid invoices, you can return to the Unpaid tab and repeat the same process for each one. The key detail each time is to confirm the invoice, the recipients, and the email information before selecting Send Bill. The unpaid invoice has now been sent as a payment reminder from Clio Manage.